Most blockchains are designed with crypto users in mind first. Ton was designed with something much bigger in mind, a messaging app used by hundreds of millions of people every single day. Let us break down what Ton is, how it works, and why it matters. Ton stands for the Open Network, a blockchain platform originally developed by the team behind Telegram, one of the largest messaging apps in the world. The goal behind Ton was to build a blockchain fast and scalable enough to eventually support Telegram's massive global user base directly within the app itself. While Telegram's parent company stepped back from directly running the project due to regulatory pressure in the United States, development continued through an independent, community-driven effort, and Ton has since grown into its own established blockchain ecosystem, while maintaining a close relationship with Telegram. One of the biggest challenges facing many blockchains is scalability, meaning the ability to handle a very large number of users and transactions at the same time without slowing down. Ton was built from the ground up with this exact problem in mind, since its original purpose was to potentially support hundreds of millions of Telegram users. Ton achieves this scalability through a technique called sharding. Instead of processing every transaction on a single chain, Ton splits its network into multiple smaller chains called shards, which can process transactions in parallel rather than one at a time. This allows the overall network to handle a significantly higher volume of activity, since work is being spread across many chains simultaneously, instead of being bottlenecked through just one. This sharding system is also designed to be dynamic, meaning the network can adjust the number of active shards based on real-time demand, expanding capacity when activity increases and scaling back down when it is not needed. Ton's most distinctive feature is its deep integration with Telegram. Telegram has built-in wallet functionality that allows users to send and receive Toncoin, Ton's native token, directly within the messaging app without needing to download a separate application. Telegram has also introduced mini apps, which are small applications that run directly inside Telegram chats, some of which are built on top of Ton and allow users to interact with games, tools, and other services using crypto, all without ever leaving the messaging app itself. This integration is significant because it gives Ton potential access to an enormous existing user base that may have never used a crypto wallet or blockchain application before, lowering the barrier to entry in a way most other blockchain projects cannot easily replicate. Beyond payments, Ton includes additional infrastructure designed to support a broader, decentralized ecosystem. Ton storage is a decentralized file storage system, allowing data to be stored across the network rather than relying on a single centralized server. Ton DNS is a decentralized domain name system, allowing users to register human-readable domain names on the Ton network in a way that is not controlled by any single centralized authority. Together, these tools reflect Ton's broader ambition, not just to serve as a payments network within Telegram, but to function as a more complete decentralized infrastructure layer that developers can build on top of. Ton supports smart contracts, the self-executing code that powers decentralized applications, using its own programming language designed specifically for the network's architecture. While this means Ton is not directly compatible with Ethereum's coding standards the way some other blockchains are, it has still attracted a growing developer community building decentralized finance applications, games, and other tools on top of the network. Toncoin is the native token of the Ton network. It is used to pay for transaction fees, similar to how other blockchains use their native tokens for gas fees. It can also be staked, where holders lock up their Toncoin to help secure the network's validators and earn rewards in return. Because of Telegram's built-in wallet integration, Toncoin also functions as a practical, everyday medium of exchange for users sending value to each other directly within Telegram chats, which is a use case not many other native blockchain tokens have easy access to. Ton's core value proposition comes down to distribution and scale. Very few blockchain projects have a direct pathway to hundreds of millions of potential users already active on the same platform. By building directly into Telegram, Ton has a unique opportunity to introduce crypto to people who may have never engaged with it otherwise, while its sharding architecture gives it the technical capacity to potentially support that scale of usage. As with any crypto project, Ton carries real risks. Its custom programming language and architecture mean fewer existing developers are already familiar with building on it compared to more established ecosystems. Its close association with Telegram also means regulatory developments affecting Telegram could have ripple effects on Ton itself. And like any crypto asset, Toncoin is subject to significant price volatility tied to broader market conditions. Ton represents one of the more ambitious attempts in crypto to bring blockchain technology directly to a massive, mainstream user base through a platform people already use every day. With its sharding-based scalability, deep Telegram integration, and growing suite of decentralized infrastructure, Ton continues to position itself as a blockchain built not just for existing crypto users, but for the next wave of everyday people who may be introduced to crypto for the very first time. This is not financial advice, just financial education. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next breakdown. See you in the next video.